Hey guys, this is my Fluval EBI shrimp tank, and today I just got my order of Taiwan bees in. So it came in a box like this, and then comes in another box, styrofoam box. Let's see how well packaged this is. Styrofoam. Okay. Let's see. Where's my shrimps? Nice. I ordered King Kongs and blue bolts. Everyone looks good. There's a little net in there. Looks good. Everyone's alive. No deaths. Okay. And I guess I ordered over $100, so he gave me food. Not too sure what kind of food this is. No label. And yeah, sweet, I'm so excited for this. Yep, I ordered it from Joe's Aquariums in San Jose. And this is very well packaged. I mean, he got little bubble tape, styrofoam box. I'm about to flip my shrimp for about 20 minutes so the temperature gets the same with my tank. And then I'll probably do another video with my shrimp inside my tank after they're acclimated. Alright, sweet. Thanks for watching, guys.